Hi everyone, this is Gretel, your friend, your um what should I say? Your paper application friend for AOS and K1 visa. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to read some of the RFE. You know RFE? For those who have adjustment of status filed or send their packets to the USCIS, some of them have RFE. The meaning of RFE is request for evidence that usually takes time for those who are applying and delay their process of having a green card. So one of the letters for RFE are, for example, I would say, let me see, I would find something here, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, Thanks for waiting. Here is it. Okay. Request for initial or additional evidence. This office is unable to complete the processing of your application for advanced payroll, which is advanced payroll is a travel permit for those who don't have green card yet that who wants to go back to the Philippines. So, Form I-131 without additional information, please submit the information indicate below. So they will really say it will be specific of what they need. Service records and information provided on your I-765 or I-31 application conflict regarding your full legal name. Oh, maybe the name is not, maybe misspelled, or the USCIS might have confusion with their names. Please submit a sworn affidavit indicating your full legal name. Please include a list of all allies or a or aliases. Please include your maiden name. Please include your married name for all names provided. Please list them in the following format: last, first, middle. If the name provided on your form I-765 or I-131 is a married name, please include a copy of your marriage certificate and a complete English translation if the document was not originally issued in English. So, this sample, guys, is from a friend who are having RFE with her adjustment of status or the green card application. And there's still nothing to worry about. It's really natural for everyone to have RFE. That's why I'm doing this for you to have a knowledge that you must do your paperwork completely and correctly. And all you have to do is to file everything correct, keep checking, and be slow before sending the packet, or else you will have RFE. And prayer works best. So before you send it, pray and ask God for guidance because only Him can help you. And so another one is I might another sample is, let me see this. Mm-hmm. Um, this one. Thanks, guys. Okay. Okay, so request for initial evidence. It's like the USCIS will always mail you a notice once you applied for them. So they will update you online and through mail and text. Isn't it amazing? They will update you 3 times. It's really a hard work for them, I'm sure. So let's just understand them and don't blame anyone here. First, they mail notice on your mailbags, and which is that you can get it from, or you might get it from the post office or in your mailbox near your home. Next is your texting. They will send you a text messages updating things. And next is your email. So, and then they will give you another receipt number, where you can track your application and everything. So, it's everything is provided to you. That's why you have to do your best, provide everything for them, and no blaming everyone. I know everyone is not perfect. The USCIS might misplace your papers or everything, but let's just help each other. So just follow them and be nice to them and be nice to yourself too. So another sample of a request for initial evidence is, this is it, what I read. Request for initial evidence, RFE, I-485. This is for the form, the green card form, which is the AOS form, the I-485. This office is unable to complete the processing of your application to register permanent residency of adjust status, Form 1-485, without initial information. Submit all the information request below at one time. Failure to do so will result in denial. You must submit the information within 45 days, okay? There's specific 45 days. If not, you will be denied. To U.S. Department of Homeland Security, P.O. Box 6484, blah, 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 for express mail or blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is it. All copies must be clear and legible. If you submit document in any language other than English, it must be submitted with a full English translation. The translator must clarify that the translation is complete and accurate, and that he or she is competent to translate. If you need additional information, please visit blah, 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 blah. The petitioner sponsor on Form 1864, which is that affidavit of support, must submit a complete federal income tax return submitted to the Internal Revenue Services, the IRS, for the most recent tax year. If you were not required to file federal income tax under tax law, attach a written explanation of why you are not required to file. See filing requirements in IRS Form 1040, filing instruction, to determine whether you were required to file. So this is it. They will tell you everything. How specific is it if you're just listening? So RFE is just an obstacle. So to avoid RFE, like what I said, make everything complete and correctly sent to them. And I have some video how to file your AOS, adjustment of status. So just watch it and learn. Thanks, guys.